Kunemibono leyahlukene mayelana nenhloso yamengameli Cyril Ramaphosa yekufuna kumisa emsebentini umvikeli wemphakatsi Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Loku kuta ngemuva kwekutsi Ramaphosa abhalele Mkhwebane incwadzi yekumtjela kutsi akamnikete tizatfu kungakapheli emalanga alishumi tekutsi kungani kufanele angamiswe emsebentini. Kepha lo-ofisi la Mkhwebane lithi usakhulumisana nebameli bakhe mayelana naloludzaba. Somlomo weParliament Nosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula kuleli viki umemetele kutsi lutawuchubeka lihlelo lekukhishwa kwaMkhwebane nanoba acele inkantolo yemtsetfosisekelo ukuthi sihocise isinqumo sayo saphambilini. Umvikeli wemphakathi nemacembu etepolitiki baphawulile ngaloludzaba.
We look forward to the speedy finalization of this inquiry, given the crucial role that the Public Protector plays in fighting corruption and maladministration in the country, and the lengthy delays that have already taken place in the finalization of this process.
The economic freedom fighters reject Cyril Ramaphosa's premature and dictatorial attempt to suspend the Public Protector. This is another move where he is misusing his prerogative to sideline and destroy an African woman.
Now, what the Speaker indicating that Parliament will continue with the impeachment process, the question that arises, why is the President in a hurry to want to suspend the Public Protector?
There were many court cases which actually found the Public Protector incompetent and not fit for the position, and therefore this process must be completed so that the public in the end will regain trust in the office of the Public Protector.
As the ATM, we are of the view that President Ramaphosa is highly conflicted on the matter, and his actions can only be seen as a self-serving action for self-preservation interests.
President Cyril Ramaphosa must not waste time to suspend the Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane from that office. It is long overdue.
The Public Protector received a letter from the President confirming the news reports and informing her that he is considering suspending her in terms of Section 194, subsection 3A of the Constitution. The letter further invites the Public Protector to, within 10 working days, provide reasons why the President should not take such a step.